In this video, I'll show you how to open the Google Play Store on your Xiaomi TV box so you can download apps easily. Step 1. Power on your Xiaomi TV box. Make sure your Xiaomi TV box is plugged in and turned on. Your TV should show the Xiaomi TV box home screen. Step 2. Navigate to the Apps section. Using your remote, go to the home screen. Scroll to find the Apps section or the App Store icon. Step 3. Find and open Google Play Store. I'll look for the Google Play Store app icon. If you don't see it, go to the Settings, Apps, Manage Apps to check if it's installed. Select Google Play Store and press OK to open it. Step 4. Sign in and start downloading apps. If this is your first time opening the Play Store, you'll be asked to sign in with your Google account. Enter your credentials and accept the terms. And now you can browse and download apps directly to your Xiaomi TV box. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.